Hey! I have been on the group Overnight Millionaire. Quite amazing. I have been doing the visualization, and as you can see, walking on the sand. It is amazing. I love it. It is. I will recommend it for everyone. It is. You have to check it out yourself because it's something you have. You could have heard of it. There's so much thing out there, but these things works. Wesley Virginia is actually someone who uses it and apply it, and I am listening to him every single day. I kind of take in every single word, actions. I'm really proud of what of his achievement, and watch out, Wesley. I'm quite pleased to have come across your product, and I will take it to the next step, and you will hear more from me. But at least I was amazed by this, just living the life, enjoying my life today on the beach. Amazing. All the kids. Enjoy.